The Feynman technique is a powerful method to truly understand any concept, not just memorize it. It was created by the famous physicist Richard Feynman. Imagine learning like a genius by explaining ideas clearly and simply. Step 1. Pick a topic you want to learn. It could be anything from science to history or even a new skill. A topic on a laptop. Step 2. Write down or explain the topic using simple words as if you were teaching it to a child. Avoid complicated words or jargon. Step 3. Notice the parts you don't fully understand. Go back to your notes or book, then simplify your explanation until it makes sense. Using the Feynman technique helps you understand concepts deeply, remember information longer, and explain any idea clearly to anyone. Start using the Feynman technique today and learn like a true genius.